Today, I will take you to experience the spiritual and divine splendor of Mayapur, filled with tranquility and serenity that soothes the mind, body, and soul. With Hotel Sonar Bangla in Mayapur, I will explore the blissful grandeur of spiritual escape which effortlessly incorporates luxury with utmost comfort. What an elegant architecture, a perfect blend of modern and spiritual design. They welcome you by offering this refreshing drink. Now we are moving towards our room. We have booked a duplex room which was quite spacious and luxurious, adorned with superlative facilities and amenities. And this was the view from our balcony, which was just insane. This property has the largest swimming pool in eastern India. They have only one restaurant, Panjiri. The food was excellent. We tried some Bengali dishes as well. Later in the evening, we enjoyed and relaxed in their lavish pool. They have this wonderful sit-out area where you can relax and enjoy the beautiful lake view. Walking in this property is so peaceful and calming. It's a huge property, and if you are not willing to walk, they also provide buggy service so that you can quickly get a round tour to the entire property. This is their bar where you can enjoy your drinks and hookah. The breakfast buffet was also quite decent, mix of North and South Indian dishes. The playroom Kanha was fantastic. It was filled with variety of games that kept us entertained. And if you're among one who don't like to miss their workouts, then Gym Yogi is quite good option. They have basic equipments, and if you want to do yoga or meditation, then this lavish place is good enough. The property is truly beautiful and serene, offering a calm and peaceful atmosphere. The amenities were impressive and the staff went above and beyond with their courteous and helpful service. Hotel Sonar Bangla offer a chance to immerse in the diving and majestic surrounding to relish your spiritual essence and exploration of lavishness. That's all for today. I will see you in my next. Till then, live happily and stay beautiful.